Good morning. I'm introducing a new harmonica to you, available soon, not yet, from the Easttop company, Easttop, very large manufacturer in Asia. This new harp is called the Performer. This is the 16-hole solo C tuning, and it has the trapezoidal mouthpiece. And they also have, in this cute little case here, the 12-holder. But this has a rounded mouthpiece. 16, trapezoidal mouthpiece, 12, rounded. These are very cool instruments. And I'm going to hit you right now with the big plus. They're airtight from factory. This is the first reasonably priced instrument that is actually totally airtight from factory. Now, Saxony Seidel Symphony, they're airtight from factory, but most other harps are not. They leak on every note. Why does airtightness count? Ease of firing the note, control of vibrato and bends, and better tone. So it has so many pluses, and for a long time the harmonica community just has not understood that. But Easttop did grasp it, and they have made this instrument airtight. That means there's no hiss. When you play it, you get sound when you push air through it. Shall we play along summertime, and then we'll get back to more details on this harp? See that control of vibrato? It's got to be airtight to have that. So let's go over some other stuff, okay? Very comfortable to the hand, very beautiful look. I really like the material, this outer material. If I had to guess, I would say it's a powder coat finish that's textured, but I don't know. Beautiful shape to the hand. Not really open at the back, but it's very comfortable to the hand. Very comfortable button. It's a 7mm throw, phosphor bronze reeds, and I don't know the proprietary mix of the metal on this 1.0mm reed plate. So, that's something that I would like to know, and we'll pass along. I don't know the price, I don't know the date of the release. These are sent to me just to give them input, about the instrument, and they wanted me to go public with it. Very comfortable mouthpiece. It's a very smooth slide, very comfy to the hand, but I'll tell you what, most players around the world have not played an airtight instrument in their lifetime because they haven't been airtight. They've been leaky. This is airtight. Now, there's some others coming out that from other manufacturers that may be airtight too right now, because I think that they're starting to grasp that. But we really do want to congratulate Easttop for really grasping that and doing a very nice job at accomplishing that. I would say that the tone of the reeds, okay. Anyhow, so this is kind of what we have here. Again, this comes with the soft black case and the rounded mouthpiece model, the 12, comes with this faux leather. And by the way, this has a soft stuff on the inside, and I like that, kind of a silky thing. And I really like the feel of it. It's not really an impact case, but I like having this. I always want one just to protect the harp from dust and stuff. And it kind of, you pull it like that. So this is a new model again from the Easttop company. It's called the Performer. And they have accomplished something historic, which is an airtight instrument at what I'm quite sure will be a very reasonable price. So really, well done. Well done. And may I speak to the other manufacturers and say, hey, your harps have to be airtight. If you don't know that, harps need to be airtight from factory, because people don't sit and customize them like I do and sand them flat. They're not going to do that. I know you don't want to do that. You don't even want to change breath savers, you know. And so to have an airtight from harp from factory is a beautiful thing.